The iPhone 17 lineup has quickly turned into Apple's weakest release yet, and the company's controversial decision to switch back from titanium to aluminum is already proving disastrous. Despite Apple's marketing claims, the iPhone 17 Pro is being called the most scratch-prone device the brand has ever made, with users reporting visible marks after just days of normal use. Some even claim it scuffs more easily than the iPhone 6, a phone from nearly a decade ago. Sure, a protective case might help, but not everyone wants to hide a $1,000 design behind plastic. Meanwhile, Apple's premium iPhone Air may look sleek with its titanium frame and paper-thin 0.22-inch profile, but sacrifices nearly everything that makes a flagship worthwhile. One lonely rear camera, no ultra-wide lens, a single speaker that sounds hollow, and a tiny battery that struggles to last half a day. Yet Apple still charges up to $1,399 for the top model, leaving even its loyal fans frustrated. While Apple seems to be moving backward, Elon Musk is taking the opposite route, shaking the entire tech world with the upcoming teslapiphone, set to launch early next year at a starting price of just $789. What's driving all the hype is its built-in Starlink connectivity, offering users completely free lifetime satellite internet and a list of high-end features that challenge every major smartphone brand. Many people once doubted Tesla would ever enter the phone market, but Musk has made it clear that Tesla's mission goes far beyond cars. It's about building an interconnected ecosystem linking energy, AI, robotics, and space technology. For years, Musk complained that Apple's restrictive policies made it difficult to integrate Tesla products smoothly, and he even suggested back in 2022 that if Apple ever stopped innovating, he'd make a Tesla phone himself. That moment has now arrived. The Pi phone won't just compete. It's designed to unify Tesla's entire world of products into one device. On Tesla's latest earnings call, Musk confirmed that the phone will go on sale in all Tesla stores by March, priced at $789 for the 256 gigabytes version, and topping out at $1,199 for the high-end model, a figure that's sending shivers through Apple and Samsung. But the real shocker is that every phone purchased directly from Tesla will come with a free Starlink subscription, offering high-speed internet access anywhere on Earth. Normally, Starlink service costs over $120 a month, so this perk alone could save users nearly $1,500 every year. The device itself uses a grade 6 titanium chassis, stronger than the titanium used in older iPhones, processed at Tesla's Giga Texas factory for superior hardness and corrosion resistance. If the iPhone introduced titanium to smartphones, Tesla is perfecting it, building a phone meant to endure extreme use without losing its luxury feel. The Pi phone's display nearly eliminates bezels, turning it into a stunning all-screen experience that's perfect for watching films, gaming, or multitasking. Leaks suggest a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display on the premium model, surpassing Apple's 120Hz refresh rate with Tesla's smoother 144Hz adaptive system that drops as low as 0.5 Hz to save power. It's protected by sapphire crystal glass, the same material used in luxury watches, making it far more scratch-resistant than Apple's ceramic shield. And with peak brightness reaching 3,200 nits, it outshines both Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra and Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max, ensuring perfect visibility under any lighting. But perhaps the most revolutionary part is its camera system. Drawing from Tesla's years of autonomous driving image processing, the Pi phone features a 48-megapixel pentacamera setup with multi-layer periscope lens capable of 10 times optical zoom and a massive sensor that captures incredible detail even at a distance. Its neural engine, adapted from Tesla's FSD computer vision, works with Starlink cloud processing to instantly optimize photos and videos, producing lifelike clarity and color accuracy. The front camera, a 20-megapixel ultra-wide AI lens, automatically adjusts framing and depth, making it ideal for vlogs and group shots. Video recording hits a stunning 8K resolution at 60 frames per second with Tesla's Hyperstabilizer 2.0, ensuring professional-grade smoothness even in motion. And when it comes to power, Tesla's expertise really shines. The Pi phone is packed with 6,897 mAh battery, far larger than the iPhone 17 Pro Max's 5,588 mAh, promising up to 3 days of use on a single charge. Tesla's rumored aluminum-ion battery technology also means less heat, higher density, and virtually no degradation, keeping the phone efficient for years. Intelligent fast charging takes it from 10% to 80% in under 45 minutes. Quick yet safe, extending longevity. For Tesla, the battery isn't just a part. It's the heart of the entire system, backed by years of EV innovation. On the software side, Musk introduces XOS, Tesla's own operating system built around privacy and seamless integration. With XOS, users can unlock their cars, control Powerwall and solar systems, and even interact with the Optimus robot, all through the phone. Security is military-grade, featuring on-device encryption, Starlink secure satellite mode, and advanced biometrics, including 3D facial mapping and ultrasonic fingerprint scanning. In community polls, nearly 75% of users said they skipped the iPhone 17 due to its outrageous price, which now reaches $1,999 for Pro Max, almost the cost of a MacBook. Tesla, on the other hand, is taking a completely different approach. By pricing the Pi phone at $789, Musk isn't chasing huge margins. He's building a gateway into the Tesla ecosystem. Because Tesla controls its factories, materials, and supply chains, it can eliminate middlemen like Foxconn and pass savings to customers. The strategy mirrors how Tesla built its car dominance, not by undercutting competitors, but by redefining what value means. Of course, major challenges remain. The smartphone world is ruled by two giants, Apple's iOS and Google's Android, and users are deeply tied to those ecosystems. Convincing people to switch to XOS will be Musk's hardest battle. It's not just about technology, but about habits, culture, and trust. People fear losing their favorite apps or data, the same issue that doomed Microsoft's Windows Phone. To succeed, Tesla must attract developers and build a strong app store fast. Beyond specs, Musk must also sell the idea of a Tesla lifestyle, where one device connects your car, your home, your robot, and even the stars above. If he pulls it off, the Pi phone won't just compete with Apple and Samsung. It could redefine the entire smartphone industry. So what do you think? Is a $789 Tesla Pi phone with free Starlink internet enough to make you switch from iPhone or Android? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into the future of tech.